Hello, today I'm going to show you my quickest makeup routine. First, we're going to start with our eyebrow gel. Work these out the way that we like and get them brushed right. Lovely. And then I just pull them over like this. Perfection. Next, we are going to put on the lightest little bit of eyeliner. Lovely. Perfection. Now, put a little bit of white eyeliner right on the bottom. Today's a day I don't really feel like wearing foundation. I want to kind of give my skin some time to breathe. I'm having a little bit of a breakout, so we're going to work with that. Next, put on your mascara. I'm using the Isla stuff. It's nice. I really like this one. Got it as a birthday gift from Sephora. So that was nice. This side. I'm not going too crazy today. Today is more like just around the house day, so. Lovely. Lovely. That is perfect. Next, we are going to use our little Sephora face trio thing. Got to open it up. I'm just putting the highlighter right here, and then on the other side. Lovely. A little bit right there, a little there, and a little bit here, a little bit there. Now, using my little angled brush, I'm using some of the peach coral right here, bringing it up, other side, down the nose, on the chin. Now we go for the darker one and kind of accentuate. And a little bit more on the nose. Really blend it out. And then what we are going to do is just curl our eyelashes super quick. And next we are going to put on our lipstick. Using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And next I'm going to put on some plumping lip gloss to finish the look. And there you go. This is like a under 4-minute look. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.